Good evening. He has a hot head, which is matched by his huge heart. Perhaps that's what's called being human. He has had long, fraught relationships with some of the most beautiful and sexy women in the world. And yet, he remains an eternal bachelor. He is the ultimate bad boy do-gooder, the superhero of the masses, and the reason why this hall is bursting at the seams. Please welcome Salman Khan! Salman, everyone here wants a piece of you, but also everyone thinks that they know you. I've interviewed you a few times, once actually in bed, but I still don't know who the real Salman is. You may wear your heart on your sleeve or claim that what you see is what you get, but there's an alluring mystery about you and some of the things that you do and some of your choices. So what I'm going to do to start with is I'm going to throw a few tags or labels at you. You tell me if they sit well with you, why or why not. Salman, the superhero.
है ना? I was really scared. Conclave. Really, really scared. And then मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कोयल पूरी के साथ हूँ, काउच पे नहीं, कुर्सी पर थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल महसूस हुआ. डर लग रहा था कि कहीं ये मुझे पूरी नहीं खा जाए. लेकिन it's really difficult for me to there will be times that you will think that I'm being really modest, and there will be times that you would think that I think no end of myself. Some people would go with it, and some people would not go with it. I don't know how to do this, do this interview. Seriously, I'm at sea. We'll just, just go with whatever you want me to do. Excuse me.
I'll tell you how we do it. I ask a question, you answer. Straight from... Okay?
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. आप सवाल पूछोगी, उसका सही सही जवाब मैं दूंगा. जो मैं, जैसे अगर आपने मुझसे कुछ मेरे घर में, मेरे लिविंग रूम में पूछ लिया, वही जवाब यहाँ पर भी वही जवाब आएगा. प्रॉब्लम यह है कि जो जवाब वहाँ पर आते हैं, यहाँ पर बोलना थोड़ा सा weird लगता है, क्योंकि नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
So then say the public answer, no? That's okay with us.
Public answer काफी boring होते हैं. तो I am confused कि boring सा interview हो ये, या तो फिर very interesting हो जाए. Interesting से प्रॉब्लम ये होगा कि आई एम शूटिंग फॉर 15 days इन दिल्ली, वो शायद कैंसिल नहीं हो जाए. तो जो भी आप करें, 15 दिन का एक ब्रेक. आप क्या पूछने वाली थी?
No, if you allow, I'll start.
नहीं जी. अच्छा, आप मुझे बस बोल देना.
I'll do bus,
yeah.
but we have to speak in English because it is an English event.
अरे मेरे फैंस का क्या होगा?
They understand English, darling. We'll translate for them later. How about that? What about your English-speaking fans?
हाँ, they speak Hindi. हिंदी में इसलिए शी डजंट वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज इनकी हिंदी थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ है और इंग्लिश में मैं खुद इसलिए नहीं करना चाह रहा क्योंकि मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत गड़बड़ है।
अच्छा ठीक है, हम हिंदी में बोलेंगे, अरबिक में बोलेंगे, इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे, फारसी में बोलेंगे, जिस भाषा में आप चाहें हम बोलेंगे, ठीक है? तो मैं
आप मेरे साथ सिर्फ दिल की बात कीजिए।
दिल की बात? ठीक है, मैं
स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट।
स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट।
जी
ठीक है, आपके दिल में अभी कौन है?
अभी ट्रांजिट पीरियड में हूँ और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि 15 साल की उम्र से लेके अब तक वो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला कभी ट्रांजिट पीरियड में होने का। हर चीज मेरे लाइफ के अंदर ओवरलैप हुई है। इस बार जी हाँ, इस बार पहली बार मुझे एक ऐसा सांस लेने का मौका मिला है, लेकिन कुछ ज्यादा ही सांसें ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि 2-2.5 साल हो चुके हैं। जी हाँ, ये सांसें थोड़ी सी कंट्रोल करने का वक्त आ गया है। आई थिंक बहुत जल्द ही कुछ हो जाएगा मेरी लाइफ में।
You mean there is someone?
I'm trying really hard. In fact, I'm getting desperate now. 2-2.5 साल बहुत होता है।
अच्छा, तो आपको अगर एक इश्तिहार देना हो किसी for your favorite girl or the ideal person, because you are in that transit period, you might as well make the most of it. So get the person that you want. All the things that didn't work in the past, fix them. Give me an ad.
स्वागत है।
हाँ?
स्वागत है आपका मेरी जिंदगी में। एंड देन शुभ रात्रि। उठो, अरे उठो, घर जाओ।
नहीं, लड़की कैसी होगी?
बहुत अच्छी होगी, गारंटीड।
लेकिन किस प्रकार की? कुछ तो उसकी
किस प्रकार की? भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की लड़कियां होती हैं।
आपको किस प्रकार की लड़कियां चाहिए? उसकी कुछ क्वालिटीज तो बताइए।
हर थोड़ी सी चीज उसमें होना चाहिए। आपकी खूबसूरती, आपसे बाल, जिस्म आपका, दिमाग आपका।
मैं ही आ जाऊं?
आपकी
सॉरी लड़ो। आपकी
शादी हो चुकी है और मेरे लिए शादीशुदा औरतें डेड के बराबर। सॉरी, मुझे माफ कर दीजिएगा।
नहीं, अब इंटरव्यू का तो कोई फायदा नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू से नो मैटर व्हाट आई आस्क यू आर गोइंग टू आंसर व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक। सो यू माइट एज वेल आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर देम।
आप सवाल पूछिए, मैं उसका आपको बहुत ही खुल के जवाब दे रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, सवाल मैंने छोड़ दिया, ठीक है? मेरे पास है कुछ और। यहाँ पे थोड़े से प्रॉप्स हैं, ठीक है? अब ये प्रॉप्स आपके थोड़े फेवरेट प्रॉप्स हैं?
अभी नहा के आया हूँ मैं।
वो बाद में।
जी।
First we have one of your favorite.
जी।
You can use this in as many ways and however you want. We'll have music to support you.
हाँ?
If you want, if you don't want, we don't have to have music. Here you go.
पहले एक मोस्ट ऑब्वियस वे के अंदर इसको यूज कर लेता हूँ।
the other props after I've caught my breath.
ये सब पहले के भी सब इंटरव्यूज ऐसे ही थे.
This is the effect you have on women. So maybe I will go back to my questionnaire for 1 second. I was going to give you tags. Let's start with you being the family man, the honhar son. The father is a very important character in your life.
Father and both my mothers.
Tell us something
Mom,
about that.
hello auntie. ये सीरियस सवाल है. आपने सीरियस सवाल
सीरियस
पूछा.
सवाल पूछा है मैंने.
इस सवाल में आपने मेरा पसीना निकाल दिया. सच बोलना पड़ेगा इसमें.
Up to you.
चलिए कहाँ से शुरू करें. ये अगर आप कह रही हैं कि my parents would be like really happy with the success and all that stuff. That's that. They're really happy with that. But I don't think कि जितने दुख मैंने उनको दिए हैं शायद उनके किसी बच्चे ने दिए होंगे.
Like what?
Like as a child also I was a really naughty child. So गिरना पड़ना झगड़े वगैरह वगैरह. तो जब भी मुझे चोट पहुंचती थी और I used to get hurt, they used to get they used to feel really bad. They were hurt more than I ever got hurt. फिर अपने बेटे के बारे में उल्टी सीधी ऊट पटांग चीज़ें सुनना, लोगों से pointing fingers at their son, वो फिर जो जेल के जो एपिसोड्स हुए हैं, जो केसेस आए हैं, वो तो as far as these things, I guess that my parents would, if these things were not there in my life, my father would have looked like me, as young as I look now, and my mother as young as you look.
So they've aged only because of your antics.
Yeah, I think the stress, the facing all the problems, you know, all the worries. She's praying 24/7 for me. In fact, the rest of the kids get upset कि यार थोड़ी सी हमारे लिए भी बचा के रखो. अब बीच में, I think about 3-4 महीने पहले, there was एक वाह बिल्डिंग के अंदर there was this siren का sound. तो I came out and my mom came to the balcony. She's worried कि अब क्या हो गया. तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं मम्मा, 4 माले पे there's a fire, you know, there's no police, don't worry, जाओ सो जाओ. तो कुछ on the 4th floor there was a small fire which they called the fire brigade. तो वो जो एक एम्बुलेंस भी आई थी. तो she gets really worried. I know that there's never a time that she's not she's all the time praying for the salamati, like everybody's parents, for their kids.
Basically, her heart is in her mouth the whole time. Anything that's happening, she's jumping. Salman ko kya hua?
जी हाँ. Yeah, and especially after she's lost 32 kilos of weight and she's not been eating, तो heart mouth में ही रहता है उनके. नहीं तो पहले वहाँ पर बहुत सारा food रहा करता था.
Is that why, to a certain extent, you have a bit of guilt towards your family, that you end up doing so much with your family that perhaps you wouldn't otherwise? Like all the films that you do, is your heart really in all those films, or you're doing them because they are your brothers and they are...
I really like those films. They know me, they know my taste. And they're my family. I really like them. And I like working with people I like. So if there's a producer who gets me a superscript and I don't get along with the producer, I will not do it. Unless I make sure that I start getting along with that co-star or with, like I tell you, like Karan Arjun, the one conversation that I had with Shahrukh, I said, see, we're brothers from not one lifetime, from 2 lifetimes. We have to feel like brothers. And we did during that time. It would look fraud otherwise. It would not look good. And then if there's ever a Kannarjan 2, I would say the same thing.
So there is a possibility that you could feel like brothers again. Not of 1 lifetime, but of 2 or 3 lifetimes.
Ji haan.
Oh, there is.
Yeah, anything is possible. Even this.
But what about the actor in you? Because there was a time
There is
when
no
you...
actor in me. There is no actor in me at all.
No, come on. There was. Look at your films like Khamoshi, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Those, I mean, you were not Salman in them. In now, most of your films, I think the audience will...
I don't act there at all. I act in my real life.
You're acting right now?
Yeah. No. This is real life. It's all been recorded. So this is real. Acting is when the camera is not there. Were you there? No. Why would you think I was there? What would I be doing there? Seedha jhoot bolo.
So you're not like interested in satisfying the performer in you. You're like, I want to do happy films. I want to do it with people I get on with. I want to have fun.
I tried films with messages. I'd rather send a text now. They don't work. It's a lot cheaper. And they read it.
Let's go back to some of the other tags that I have here. Salman.
अगर मेरा विजन अगर बराबर होता तो मैं सब पढ़ लेता. थोड़ा सा विजन का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है आजकल. विजन थोड़ा सा देखने का ब्लर.
मैं बोलूं? Salman is being human.
I'm trying my best. बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Difficult है, but बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. और इसीलिए हमने एक charitable trust खोला है, which is called Being Human. और कोशिश करते हैं कि अच्छा काम करें उसके लिए. अब बहुत सारे कारण होते हैं अच्छा काम करने के. एक तो क्योंकि you genuinely believe that you want to do good. एक गिल्ट छुपाने के लिए कि ये कुछ हरकतें हो गई हैं मुझसे तो ये करके रफा दफा करो. तीसरा के फियर
ऑफ व्हाट?
ऑफ कुछ भी, जैसे कि अगर ये नहीं करोगे तो the universe has got its way to take it back. Lots of एक शो ऑफ के लिए होता है, एक इमेज चेंज करने के लिए होता है. मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं किसके लिए ये कर रहा हूँ. कभी कभी थोड़ा सा वो एक दिखाने के लिए भी कर लेता हूँ. कभी कभी जेन्युइनली होता है इमेज चेंज करने के लिए भी. बट जिस रीजंस के लिए कर रहा हूँ काम तो अच्छा कर.
तो हुई आपकी इमेज चेंज? काम तो आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, डेफिनेटली 100%.
उसको बढ़ाना है, एक अलग ही लेवल पे लेके जाना.
राइट, बट हैज योर इमेज चेंज्ड विद दिस, यू थिंक, एंड हैज योर गिल्ट
नाउ
बीन ईज्ड?
दैट इज, वो मेरे एक पर्सनालिटी का एक डिफेक्ट है. जहाँ चेंज होने शुरू होता है, आई डोंट लाइक इट.
So then you want to be the bad boy.
And then I come back to bad boy नहीं. अब मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? This is no bad boy or good boy in this. This is the way I am. और बहुत सारे लोगों को ये पसंद है और बहुत सारे लोगों को नापसंद है.
So then let's take the flip side of it, that Salman is being inhuman.
Sometimes, yes, I have been inhuman.
Give me an example.
No. अब इतना भी फ्रैंक नहीं हो सकते यहाँ पर. Yeah. But there are things that I know that sometimes that I've done which perhaps were not correct. Like, oh, no.
Gupt Sangat, remember?
You're talking about Gupta Gyan now. Gupta Sabha. Being inhuman के अंदर यही होगा कि Salman Khan used to be this really great guy because he used to do a lot of work for friends, ऐसे free. He used to be a really superb guy, great guy. He's inhuman now. He's changed now. Why? Because he negotiates. He only does stuff that he actually wants to do. तो सलमान क्रूल हो गया है, कठोर हो गया है, इनह्यूमन हो गए हैं, बदल गए हैं, चेंज हो गए हैं. जब तक के फायदा उनका था, तब तक सलमान was a great guy, man. You go to his place, you chill with him, whatever you want. And then I thought कि पूरा चला जाएगा तो बचेगा क्या? So I just took a decision that friends will remain friends and work will remain separate. So, जो दोस्त हैं, those people who are there with me still, they are my true friends who have got no work with me. And the ones who were there for the work, they'll धीरे disappear.
That's the level of your inhumanity. Salman is
That's just the start.
That's the start. That's what you can share with us. Salman, another tag. Salman is the jealous guy.
Yes, I'm obviously everyone is jealous. More than jealous, I'm क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Envious. I envy people. I want to be like them. I aspire to be that. We've all had childhood heroes. My childhood heroes got messed up slightly. I started out very correctly, and then I got into a different phase of heroes, which, what we read in the press, kind of influenced me at a very tender age of 30, 35. And I started losing the plot. और जब पता चला कि वो तो है ऐसा था ही नहीं, everything was exaggerated, and thank God I realized that, slightly early, and I went back to my earlier heroes, the guys who really wanted to work hard, the guys who wanted to do good, all these people जहाँ से के examples के चाय बेचता था, आज इतना बड़ा आदमी हो गया है, प्यून थे, आज देखो कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गए. So these success stories, I really like them. Then it went to how many cigarettes this guy smokes, man. Wow, this guy finishes a bottle and a half of alcohol every single day. Ooh, lovely. So then I went into that phase, but that phase didn't last very long because I really liked what I did at that point in time, but it just, I got hurt by the cigarettes and the alcohol because they were not doing me really good. And I was being really nice to them.
So what phase are you in now?
Now I'm green tea. No coffee as well. Just the last one was coffee with Karan where I had thumbs up. See, I had to put the brands also in.
Yeah, I noticed. What about Salman, the possessive boyfriend?
Yeah, that I have been. I've been earlier. See, when you're in a relationship, I guess you guys wouldn't ever know that because you've never been in any relationships ever. So this is a gyan coming from the most senior member here. वो जो हंसी आ रही है वो मेरा ही आदमी प्लांटेड है वहाँ पर. अच्छा, if I lose my train of thought, just
I'll get you back.
yeah. So
We're talking about possessive boyfriend.
हाँ. So you try everything. You try everything to see that she doesn't leave you. You try to be good. You give her the silent treatment. You yell. You cry. You do everything. And then when nothing works, you just go, yeah. So now I don't even go through that whole phase of.
But why
going
do they
all
want to leave you, Salman? What are you
And then-
doing that they want to leave you? Your premise is only wrong.
Strange. I don't know. I thought they were the most correct people for me, but obviously they didn't have rights. Their heads were not on their shoulders. I got influenced.
Kuch to
Great
hai.
girls. Bad boyfriend.
Would you say
I've
bad
not been.
boyfriend is a
I've
label?
not been like the most incredible boyfriend. There is. I could be the best friend there is, and I've heard this from the ex-girlfriends also. That is great friend, boyfriend, miserable boyfriend. For some strange reason, they just get really insecure.
But what a waste that you're a terrible boyfriend, Salman.
You know?
You're so good looking and you're so fun.
I know. Just imagine. Just imagine if I'd have been stuck to my first girlfriend when I was about 14 years old. I would have been a grandfather by now.
Okay, another tag then. Salman is the single guy.
Depending. That depends. That totally depends. Right now, I am.
And that's a good phase?
For now, it is.
Why?
Because इसका क्या जवाब दूँ यार मैं? I just like थोड़ा सा वो मुझे आजकल इरिटेट करता है. Where'd you go? Why you wear that cologne? Why you dressed up like this? Why you wearing shorts? Why you training so hard? Why'd you put alcohol? So that's थोड़ा सा. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? I think the women do that a lot. हाँ, correct. Correct है. अच्छा किसी आदमी ने नहीं कहा ये. No man said nagging. The women only said nagging. That.
Salman, the body.
Great.
But you know, I've actually happened to be in your house one night because you have these dawats in your house in the middle of the night all the time, right? People just drop in. His house is like one of those open house things. And in the middle of the night at 3 a.m., they have this heavy biryani that comes from upstairs from your parents or something. And you dig into it. How can you have a body like this and eat like this heavy carbs and meat curry? And you do, right?
I used to write. Not anymore. Nowadays, I smell the biryani and I put on weight.
This is
So
age?
there's no more biryani at home. And that biryani story is yeah, there is. I mean, but it's not that every day there's biryani. Once in a while, ka function ho to biryani वगैरह आ जाती है. No, घर का food है. But there's, yeah, the food is good. But I don't eat that much anymore.
And a simple Khan, because you actually live very simply. I mean, you have a small little flat. You don't have many luxury goods. I don't know whether you have.
My
fetishes
dad does
like-
not want to move from that left turn and right turn in that balcony. And I don't want to stay far away from him. So he lives on the first floor, I live on the ground floor. And, you know, it's strange, but the family that I bought the house from, two girls, Mala and Shanti, they're still there. married, and then Jeevan and Kiran. They never got married. As soon as they left the house, in about 4 months, everyone was married.
So we don't want you to leave the house. We don't want you to be married.
So I'm never leaving that house. I'm never leaving that house. So even if I move out, I'll move out for a bit, and I'll come running back there.
Meaning you'll get married and come back. Is that the idea? Is that what you're saying?
That's not a bad idea. No, move out means if I have to move out of that place, because now I don't know. It's getting difficult to stay there now.
Why?
Because one room, and then there's me, and then there's Mohan, and there's Dilip. They're my help. They've been taking care of me. Beautiful life I have. It's not that bad, actually. So it gets a bit, it's getting small now. I'm getting bigger.
Okay, I think it's time for one more prop right now. This
Ready?
is from one of your older films that you used your towel. And I can't help you in this one.
इतना ओल्ड के भूल भी गया हूँ मैं.
जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन. जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन. जाए 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 एक बार जो चाहे जवानी फिर ना आए. जवानी फिर ना आए. जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन.
I think we're ready to take a question from the audience, since I need to catch my breath. Anyone, or are we all struck? Yes. Wait for a mic. Don't be so excited. It's coming. Salman, you're a great sport. Great sport.
Hi, Salman. I'm Amitabh Shah. I run a big NGO in Gujarat working for kids. From all the causes that you work for, what is something that is closest to your heart, which you wish that everybody in this room would support?
The one that is the closest to my heart is already been supported by Fortis. It's taking care of heart surgeries for little bachas. And Malvinder and Shivinder are here. And they do a lot of work with us, with Being Human.
Hello. Hello, sir. I'm a really big fan. Can't imagine I'm seeing you live. So I want to ask you, where do you see Being Human after 20 to 30 years? Which level, where do you want to take Being Human to?
$20 to 30 years is a long time, dude. But I hope I see it in 20 to 30 years. In the next, what we're trying to do with Being Human, you know, you ask your friends for money, they give it once, they give it twice. The third time, you know, they don't pick up your phone. You lose a friend, you say, क्या घटिया आदमी यार, मैं तो अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ. But आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, वो भी तो अपना काम कर रहा होगा, you know, उसके लिए भी तो वो पैसे important होंगे. तो what we have started doing is we've got like the worst business model in town, that we started the clothing line. The clothing line this year has done about 300 crores plus net नहीं, retail sales. So person who's partnering with us makes the money. Our share goes into the charitable trust. We're starting a production company where this money, straight profit, it's called Being Filmy. So my remuneration plus whatever the movie makes will go straight into the trust. Then we get into a lot of other things. So the model is such that it's a business, but the money goes straight into, after paying taxes, vagara, the money goes straight into charity. And then we're starting with education as well now. So let's see where this goes, and we believe that other brands खरीदते हो, तो ये भी खरीद लो, and not because के ये पैसे charity में जा रहे हैं, it's because you like the stuff. So the product has got to be amazing, and that's what we're trying to do with it. Now I came up with this idea of this Facebook page, Twitter, वगैरह. It's a really good thing, but I think you have to channelize that in the right manner. So jitne bhi people who are there on my Facebook page, the fans on Twitter, sab mila ke kareeban I think 20 million log hote hain. So all my brands, I've told them to select their staff from our Facebook page. So Being Human this year would open about 40 stores. So we need about 6 people, 1 differently able per store, as well as 5 able people. So we've just started yesterday. We've hired 3, and I hope this figure goes into 3 million, 3 billion, whatever. So all my brands, Suzuki, there's Coke, there's Benki's, is a friend, Videocon, Dutsab. All these people have said that they would hire their staff from Facebook page. So thoda sa agar kisi ke paas kaam agar nahi ho, so instead of looking at different places, all the .coms, to come here, and because we don't want a commission on anything, so wo paise bhi jata hai, and I just think that fans ka bala ho. वैसे ही हमारे इंडस्ट्री के अंदर we've just been through this whole bit of just getting. The more we get, the bigger our movies are. There's no giving. So I just thought that the fan who spent so much money over the years, it's time to start giving back little by little, little by little.
At the end of this session, we're actually going to help with your charity as well, but we'll come to that. Yes. There is someone here, Jack Sims, who wants to, I remember I told you about the World Toilet Organization.
Yes.
He's just going to tell you something about that first.
This afternoon, we discussed about the sanitation crisis, which is one of the worst problems in India. And there's a mindset problem that people have to change their mind to think toilet as sexy. And you've been the most sexy of all of us. I would like to propose that I send you a story of a movie, and you read it, and if you like it, perhaps this movie can change the whole attitude of Indian on sanitation.
Wow, what a sexy toilet. It's really good.
Sorry, I dropped that. There's something, before I come to a question, there is something that I wanted to ask you about, which was actually you as a hospital patient. Are we done with that now? Is your nerve disorder in control? Are we...
Yeah, that's all in control. It's all good.
We're good.
Yeah.
Got Salman fit and...
Yeah, all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a lady at the back who's been raising her hand.
Salman, thank you for your time. It seems you have have everything and people are envious.
Can't hear you. Sorry.
Can't hear.
1 second. Wait for a mic.
Thank you for your time. It seems you have everything in life and people are envious of your lifestyle. What are few things you miss in life?
So our kids. Kids.
That can happen at any point you say. I mean, I'm not offering, but there will be many.
किड्स के साथ मदर भी आती है, वो मदर नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ किड्स चाहिए.
Adopt.
हाँ, वो भी है.
Except there'd be a great waste of the gene pool, right? Embarrassing you?
No. You're right about that. You're right. I was thinking that this new idea, just if I can donate and.
Okay, we have time for a few more questions before we come.
Vicky donor, you're gonna have Salman donor. And if they're really good, I think it's the most charitable thing anyone can ever think of.
So are you committing to
All
this
for
or are you
charity.
just talking?
Ji?
Are you committing to this or are you just talking?
Just talking.
Matlab blah blah blah. So you've also become one of those blah blah blah
No.
blah.
It's interesting, just blah blah.
Mr. Bagga, you have a question.
Salman, great to have you here. We had Bachchan Saab last evening, and he was awesome. Not that you're not. You're equally awesome. But when somebody asks Bachchan Saab a question that at the age of 71, which he is at now, how does he feel when compared to what he was 20 or 30 years back?
Was he honest?
Pardon me?
Was he honest?
I would tend to believe so.
What did he say?
He said that he just accepted gracefully what he looked like.
No, actually what he said was that he is forever young at heart and forever restless. And
But that is true.
And he'll remain that way. So when you are 71, Salman, what would be your line?
71. I don't know, sir. Just think, क्या हो सकता है line? Actually, might be really awkward working with 23 and 24-year-old girls as main lead. I'm just worried about that. I hope, the society has evolved and, is more liberal by then. Just imagine you're friends with the great-grandmother and now you're working, she's the co-star. Beta, tu mile. And they're calling you beta. I would like that to happen, actually.
I have to say, look at him. He looks better than he ever looked. I mean, you look better than... You were a bit, like,
Ji.
went through funny phases in between also. With your caps and
Yeah,
things
but
like that. You look better than you've ever looked.
like those
Doesn't
phases.
everyone agree here? Like at 45, you look better than you've ever looked.
48.
48,
49.
40. You look 45, okay? Okay.
ऐसा उम्र मत कम करो, please.
Acha, chalo yaar. Yes. At the back there. No, this guy who's got his hand up. There, Mike, hello, where are you?
हाय सलमान.
Hi, sir.
आप जिस भी शो में जाते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको टीवी में देखा है, यहाँ भी देखा है, एक ही दो सीन आपसे करने के लिए कहते हैं, ये टॉवेल वाला सीन करो, ये गाना गाओ. आपको दिल में कभी ऐसा लगता है कि काश मुझे ये भी कहा होता कि ये करो, तो एक्चुअली आपके दिल में कोई एक शो करने को हो तो आपको क्या करेंगे? स्टेज पे कोई एक्ट करने को हो तो?
जी सर, समझ भी नहीं आया समझ.
आपके कुछ प्रोटोटाइप या कुछ स्टीरियोटाइप के एक्ट्स हैं जो वो लोग कहने के लिए करने के लिए कहते हैं, जैसे ये आपका गाना
जी।
बजा दिया, कोई एक चीज जो आपसे अभी तक दिल में है कि अरे काश मुझे ये कहा होता, तो वो दिल की ख्वाहिश क्या है आपको स्टेज पे
सर
करने की?
मुझे गाना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। लेकिन सर गाता बहुत बुरा हूं। तो अगर रियली बैड सिंगर, तो इसलिए मैं कोशिश करता हूं कि गाऊं, लेकिन वो आवाज निकलती नहीं है। एंड
ट्राई मारो ना।
ट्राई मारो।
हाँ।
कमाल है, दिन भर गाते रहता हूं, अब ये गाना सूझ नहीं रहा है।
सोचो आप अपने बाथरूम में होगा।
ये तीर कहीं और जा रहा था ना सर? हाँ, ये मैंने ही ले लिया। अंधेरे में कहीं और जा रहा था ये तीर। जैसे कोई गाना सोचता हूं सर, आई विल सिंग, पक्की बात।
हम गाना देते हैं।
अरे यार ऐसा थोड़ी है, थोड़ा सा टाइम, सीरियसली ब्लैंक हो गया हूँ, गाना ही नहीं आ रहा।
ब्लैंक हो रहे हो?
हाँ।
एक तो फेवरेट गाना होगा कोई भी।
नहीं, लेकिन फेवरेट गाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट गाना है गाने के लिए, कोई सिंपल गाना गाता हूँ मैं।
अच्छा, सिंपल गाना गा दो।
हाँ, तो कुछ याद आ जाए कुछ।
कोई भी बोलो, कोई भी नहीं, दबंग इज टू डिफिकल्ट।
मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल, दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। एक लड़का और एक लड़की की प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल, दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। आ रा 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 री रा 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 री रा 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 रा।
मेरा नाम कोयल है, लेकिन मैं कौवा की तरह गाती हूँ, तो मैं तो ट्राई भी नहीं करूंगी।
हाउ स्वीट, मेरा नाम कोयल है लेकिन मैं कौवा की तरह गाती हूँ। कौवा।
कौवा। अच्छा, now I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Just complete this sentence, okay?
ओहो।
In times of weakness, you.
But in times of weakness, I don't know where I get this energy from. I get the strength, the energy from, don't know where, just comes. Yeah.
And so you're best in times of weakness, in a sense.
Yeah, I focus.
Are you a religious guy?
Yeah.
What religion do you follow?
I follow humanity. I follow Islam. I follow Christianity. I follow doing the right thing as much as I can do. And there was I've been kind of blessed. Father's Pathan, mother is Maharashtrian Hindu, second mother is Catholic, brother-in-law is Punjabi. तो सभी हैं हम लोग, तो अच्छा सिस्टम चलता है सर।
And wife will be?
वाइफ मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि कोई बाहर से लेके आऊँ।
So there is some truth to Miss Vantoor.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ।
Miss Vantoor में कुछ सच्चाई?
कौन?
कौन?
अच्छा हाँ,
हाँ।
जी।
Yes.
क्या?
आपने अभी कहा ओ मैं कहीं बाहर से लेकर आऊं, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा मिस वैंटूर।
ये भी कहीं और ही जा रहा था ना, तीर जा रहा था कहीं और, बहुत।
अच्छा चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं।
जी।
What makes you really like livid?
fraudpanti. Makkari. You know, there's this new profession which has become really popular now, making money out of people's miseries. That is something that really gets me livid. It really gets me angry.
And you're happiest when?
I'm happy when lots of things make me happy. Lots of things make me happy. But like the thing that gives me like the most amount of joy, the most amount of happiness is that when I hear that, you know, this kid had this really complicated surgery. He had this complicated heart condition, and there was only 5% chance of the kid living, and the doctors have done a marvelous job, and they've saved the life of that kid. There is no better pleasure than that, and I really mean this. I really mean this. This is films do well, films don't do well. एक दिन मेरे मुंह से निकल आया कि I don't give a damn. I mean, and then I checked that. I mean, I said, no, it does matter. But दुख नहीं होता, you know, कि हमने फिल्म बनाई, we made a film, it didn't work. It's fine. अभी तो अगर 100 करोड़, 120 करोड़ की हिट भी दे दो तो फ्लॉप की गिनती में मानी जाती है. So this is something that when a kid like this survives, it gives me the maximum amount of pleasure, happiness.
That's very nice.
I told you I was a great guy.
And changing your image. You know, something earlier in the day, we had this guy who was talking about robots and sort of literally had a robot that was a clone of himself, looked exactly like one of your wax museum bodies, but it was a moving, talking robot. Now, suppose you could clone yourself over and over again in multiple times. What would that army of Salman Khan be doing, and would you like that?
सब personal सवाल पूछ रही हैं आप. One Salman Khan is enough. One is more than enough.
Okay, now before we go to the charity part of it, I'm going to ask you one last question, which is, what is your naughtiest, dirtiest fantasy?
What do you
and
think,
with
Koyal?
who?
What do you think, Koyal? What do you think my naughtiest, dirtiest? Dirty to nahi hoga.
I don't think
Naughty.
about you in those terms, Sallu bhai.
This is getting a bit much. Sallu bhai. Yeah, this is happening. This is all because of Sohail. Sohail calls me Salman bhai. My name is not Sallu. It's some fan. One day called me Sallu, and then after that it picked up and it spread like wildfire. First I used to get really pissed off with it, but now...
So you don't like bhai?
Depending on who's calling me bhai. Koyal, you call me bhai, I'm fine with it. I love it. Seriously, Koyal, I really like the fact that you called me Salman bhai. But then there are lots of women who want to call me that, and and it's so awkward that you can't even tell them that, please, no bhai vaya. Because then it looks like you straight out hitting on that person. And like, it's really uncomfortable. But the fact is that I've got 2 sisters. And I've got 3 Raki sisters. And that's it. I don't want any more.
Moving on from the bhai,
Bus.
we are coming back to the dirtiest, naughtiest fantasy. And I don't know what it is. You have to tell us. So don't divert, pura घुमा के family tour करके.
अच्छा, I was getting scared also to ask that. Do you guys really want to know? Because हाँ, ऐसी आवाज नहीं निकले.
हाँ. Do you want to know Salman Khan's dirtiest, naughtiest fantasy or not? Very weak, yaar. I wouldn't tell.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
I wouldn't tell. Let's do it again. Do you want to hear it or not?
See, it depends on किस का imagination कहाँ तक के जाता है. Please imagine whatever you need to imagine about me.
Okay. We're not leaving that much to imagination because now we're doing some good. We're going to raise some money for charity. We're auctioning something. And we're going to raise that money for Being Human
How
Foundation. In fact, let's just raise it for Being Human Foundation. Maybe you can, since it's Women's Day,
No,
you can spend some of that money
what
for...
we do, it's, I'll stand here, you raise it for whatever charitable trust, as long as the money goes straight to the people and doesn't go to the administrative cost.
So, I'm saying let it go straight to Being
If
Human
I'm standing
charity.
here, no, it doesn't matter, you raise it for whatever charity that you
Fine.
want to raise
We're
it.
raising it for the Being Human Foundation since we know that it's going to go straight to the charity. And I'm going to start an auction.
Which was the other charitable trust that needed?
We were
funding?
going to raise it because it's Women's Day and Mr. Toilet, he likes to
Let's do
call
it for that. Let's do it for
Mr.
that.
Toilet is here. We were going to raise it for women's sanitation.
Let's do it for sexy toilets.
Sexy toilets? Okay, we're doing it for sexy toilets. And to raise money for sexy toilets, we're taking the sexy shirt of Salman's sexy body off. So the higher the bid, more the buttons will open. It's as simple as that. I'm going to start it very low so that everyone has a chance. But I want it to go high really, really quickly, okay? So don't waste any time. We're starting, what should we start at?
Trust me, it's not worth it.
We don't care whether it's worth it or not. It's a good cause. So fine, let's start really low. 5,000 rupees. Come on, can I see some hands up? Salman, up, please. Thank you very much. My Janeman, my darling. आ जाओ. अच्छा बैठे कर लो. एक बटन खोल दो. The shirt is going to come off and we're auctioning the shirt. 50,000 rupees. Salman, this is embarrassing. चलो कुछ करो. नहीं wait यार.
देखो, it's simple. I'll tell you why. बटन नहीं खुलने के. इसलिए नहीं खुलने के. It's not because I don't want to take my shirt off. मेरे को तो मौका चाहिए शर्ट निकालने के लिए. I would love to take my shirt off right now, but 1 lakh में मैं बटन ना खोलूं.
Let him finish what he's saying. But.
क्लाइमैक्स खत्म हो गया है. किसका? जय हो का. 6 पैक्स भी खत्म हो गया है. तो अगर वो आप देख सकते हो बिना 6 पैक के तो मैं निकाल देता हूँ शर्ट. लेकिन 1 लाख वगैरह के लिए नहीं होगा कुछ.
Do we care? Salman is Salman, yes or no?
1 लाख रुपए के लिए नहीं होगा प्लीज.
Let's go.
1 लाख रुपए के लिए जैकेट उतार लेता हूँ मैं. चलो आपके 1 लाख आ गए.
Are we hearing a higher bid? His jackets come off. Come on, you conjuice people. Hands up. It's for a good cause. It's for women not defecating in public. Come on.
It's not the shirt, it's my abru. It's my izzat that you're talking about. शर्ट आपको चाहिए, शर्ट में उतार के चला जाऊंगा, दे जाऊंगा आपको.
Listen, I see a rich table here. I see a rich table everywhere, but I see a generous table here.
I'd like to make a
Hands up.
Just a small suggestion, Koel. He's just got one shirt to give away. Why don't you auction hugs from Salman? More people will be able to take it and you can raise more money.
यार तुम कमाल के हो यार. You come here first.
No, first let him
No, first you hug.
Tell him how much is he going to pay for the hug.
No, this one is so free. वही मैं सोच रहा था कि मेरी एनर्जी डाउन क्यों हो रही है, बिकॉज वी आर सिटिंग डाउन. आ जाओ. थैंक यू मैन. जी हाँ, एक हग, 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 10 का एक, 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 10 का एक।
कितने में बेचोगे एक हग?
जिस हिसाब से चल रहा है यहाँ पर
यहाँ पे
के
बहुत कंजूस लोग हैं।
नहीं नहीं, थोड़ा कम कर दो।
कम करूँ?
कम कर दो
कितना
प्राइस।
करूँ? 2 लाख तो हो ही गया है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, कितना अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे आप एक हक के? 1000, 2000, 3000? नहीं नहीं नहीं।
Are you giving you 1
10,000?
lakh for a hug?
10,000?
कम।
कम। अफोर्डेबल कर दो ना सबको।
No, but we have no way of keeping a tally on this, Salman. You can give hugs for free, but I have no way, I'm telling you it before, I have no audit way of doing it. I can only auction one thing. So, yes, but I don't know how to audit this. Okay, this is going to cause chaos right now. I can't handle this. Okay, यहाँ पे अब जिनको मौका मिल गया, they are all paying up. But I don't know how to audit this. I don't know how to control it, and I don't want to be mobbed on stage with you. Okay? So no. So this is.
No one's mobbing you. They're only hugging me.
Yeah, but like this is too dangerous.
आ जाओ.
And besides, I want to take your shirt off. So please, can you just take your shirt off? Okay? And can we just auction that?
बस सिर्फ 30,000. Oh my God.
हम आ गए थे 2 लाख पर आपके शर्ट के लिए. 2 lakhs plus 30,000 for all the people who gave the hugs, who got the hugs.
How much does one toilet cost to make, one sexy toilet?
How much does one sexy toilet cost?
$200. In that sexy toilet आ जाता है.
How much is it? $200. So then we've got quite a few toilets. How many toilets do you need?
How many toilets do you need?
1 million. You only asked.
सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान, आमिर खान मिलके भी 1 मिलियन नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Where's
10,000 How
10,000 for
sweet.
what? She's got her cash in her hand. And don't think I don't have you people on film, as he said.
Come. हक के लिए परमिशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Now
Come.
listen, we're going cash in hand. Okay, guys. This is what we're doing. Yeah. Okay, listen. This is what you're doing. I'm the master of ceremony. I decide this is the last hug. Finished. Yeah, no, Salman, I know you are a hugger, but it's not happening.
It's her birthday today. She just came.
Happy birthday to you.
Money, please. Yeah, okay, cool. Right, we're done with this. Someone on that table said 2 lakhs for the shirt. We're settling at that unless someone raises their hand. And 2 lakhs, I don't know how much that is divided by 12,000, how many toilets that comes to. But, what? No, there's no more hugs. We're doing the toilets. If you can up the 2 lakhs, we're... You give 2 lakhs? Anyone else? Are we in this? Can we have some music? We're taking the shirt off. I have another Being Human shirt for you, and we're giving the shirt for 2 lakhs. That's a good friend.
Remember the friends I was talking about? He's one of them.
Do we up the stake for 5 lakhs? So fine. That's 5 lakhs for keeping the shirt on. A
Your channel only should up it na by a crore or something. TRP भी तो देख लो.
क्या करूं?
देखो 6 पैक अगर इसको आप फोटोशॉप वगैरह करके डाल दोगे, हाँ, तो उसका TRP देख लेना. या तो फिर अगर आप ऐसा करोगे कि ऐसे ही डाल दिया तो उसका TRP भी देख लेना. तो उसके TRP के हिसाब से देखा, आंकड़ा निकालो, कुछ फिगर बताओ.
पॉइंट क्या आपका?
पॉइंट ये है कि चैनल को बोलो पैसे देने को, शर्ट निकालो.
ठीक है. TRP पे डिपेंड करेगा, तो वो तो सिर्फ देख के ही पता चलेगा ना.
नहीं, पहले या फिगर आप डिसाइड कर लो. अभी शर्ट निकाल लेता हूँ मैं. मुझे
responsible
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I am not responsible. Whoever is responsible can put their hands up. और
मैं तो रेडी हूँ. आपका चैनल पैसे निकालेगा, मैं शर्ट निकालूंगा. एक पैक देखना है 1 करोड़, 2 पैक देखना है 2 करोड़, 3 पैक देखना है 3 करोड़. तीन से ज्यादा है भी नहीं, शायद 2 ही होंगे.
I don't know what to say, Salman. I'm not in power.
Then who to speak to the people in power?
I'm speaking to the people in power.
They're right in front.
They're silent. So maybe you scared them by saying there's no 6 pack and पता नहीं TRP होगा नहीं होगा. मुझे नहीं समझ आया कुछ.
Okay. इतना ही चाहिए था ना आपको? हाँ?
मुझे जो चाहिए था मुझे मिल गया.
हाँ, बस मुझे पता था फिर से कोई एक न्यूज चैनल वाला मुझे बेवकूफ बना के जाएगी. कोई बात नहीं. इट वॉज फॉर अ गुड कॉज. भले ही पैसे नहीं मिले, कुछ बच्चों की सेक्सी टॉयलेट्स नहीं बनेंगे, बट क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
टॉयलेट्स बन रहे हैं. सेक्सी टॉयलेट्स बन रहे हैं. वहाँ से 5 लाख, यहाँ से 2 लाख, और मेरे पास 10,000 और वहाँ पे 30,000. हमारे पास है कितने टॉयलेट्स? एटलीस्ट 15 टॉयलेट्स बन गए.
उनको how many do you need? How many toilets you need? As many. और ये तो भी तो ये भी हद है. एटलीस्ट 100-200 का फिगर दे दो के. मैथ्स किसकी अच्छी है? हाँ, मैथ्स अच्छी है आपकी?
मेरी मैथ?
हाँ, मैथ
नहीं, 0.
हाँ, किसी ने सही पहचाना. 100 टॉयलेट्स के कितने होंगे?
100 टॉयलेट्स के लिए
तो from our side we'll give you 100 toilets. ये कॉन्क्लेव बहुत भारी पड़ता है. कमर्शियल प्लेन में आओ. कॉन्क्लेव करो फ्री में और पैसे भी देके जाओ. थैंक यू सर. Yeah! 200 toilets. Anybody? 200 हो गए. 300. 300. 400. 400.
Can we just focus on the people who are saying yes so we know exactly who they are and someone's going to catch them?
400 done. Or? Who?
100 toilets, 100 toilets, 100 toilets there and 100 toilets there.
500 toilets.
And I have some money here.
501. 501.
In India.
Ah.
No, in India. Yes, Mr. Sims? Where are we? In India. In
India,
India,
lovely.
in India.
ये देखो बाहर से लोग आ रहे हैं और इंडिया में काम करके जा रहे हैं. Anybody?
I think we've done 400 toilets.
You?
500 toilets.
500 हो गए. Anybody else?
100 more.
100 more?
From
600.
Mr. Kapoor, 100 more. 100
Thank you,
from
ma'am.
Mr. Kapoor, 100 more. From the TVTN group, 100. From Malvinder and gang, 100. I don't know your name here. Dev group, 100. From Sunny, 100.
600 हो गए.
That's wow.
Any more? $75 toilets? जी.
Thank you for getting all these toilets done. But please make sure that they actually work. Because just making them is not good enough. Somebody needs to look after it as well.
तो अंकल की जरा अंकल का चेहरा याद रख लेना. हम हमारा काम कर रहे हैं. इनका काम ये.
We need to oversee somebody.
Yeah.
I mean, we need to make sure that somebody looks after those toilets.
Yes. Just remember the face.
The toilet will be owned by the family, and the family will be selected. That those people who will maintain it, train it, we will do through the selection process. So don't worry. It's not a public toilet, it's a home toilet.
A big round of applause for Salman!
Thank you.
Big Heart Khan! I'm also auctioning the towel later that he touched.
Put your hands together for Salman Khan. But Salman, for 600 toilets, we can take your shirt out, can't we? 600 toilets.